Hi, I'm Malcolm Bruce and I'm a Senior Project Manager for a house builder, Millwood Designer Homes. We were always looking for a property that had a fair amount of timber, but living fairly close to the sea, we realised that the weather would affect the timber and would age it very quickly. We're both very conscious that we wanted the building to be as eco-friendly as possible. James HardiePlank filled that role. So the carpenters that we used HardiePlank before and were very keen and pleased that we were using the product. We have many people walking past the property very surprised when I tell them it's a cement fibre base. We're very pleased with the HardiePlank material and I'd recommend it to anybody.